Do you know the early warning signs of dementia? Dementia, a term you may have heard but might not fully understand, represents a group of symptoms associated with a decline in cognitive skills severe enough to interfere with daily life. It's not a specific disease but a broad term that covers multiple conditions, including Alzheimer's disease. It's characterized by a progressive loss of cognitive function due to damage or disease in the body beyond what might be expected from normal aging. Identifying the early warning signs can help in early detection and treatment. Memory loss affecting day-to-day abilities is the first sign. It's not the occasional forgetfulness we all experience, but a more persistent type that affects your ability to carry on with your daily life. Imagine this: you're constantly forgetting where you've placed your things, or struggling to remember important dates or events. If you find yourself repeatedly asking for the same information, it could be an early sign of dementia. The second sign is having difficulty in performing familiar tasks. For instance, you might find it hard to follow a recipe you've used for years, or struggle to remember the rules of a favorite game. The third sign is problems with language. You might find yourself forgetting simple words or substituting incorrect words, making your sentence incomprehensible. It's not just about stumbling over a word occasionally, but a consistent difficulty in expressing thoughts or explaining something. These are the initial signs, but remember, they may also be a part of normal aging process. The fourth sign is disorientation of time and place. Now, we're not talking about the occasional forgetfulness that we all experience. This is about consistent confusion. You might start to lose track of dates, forget where you are, or struggle to understand how much time has passed. The world can start to feel like a maze, and it's a disconcerting feeling to say the least. Moving on to the fifth sign, impaired judgment. This might manifest as making unusual or unwise decisions. You might start to notice a loved one making financial decisions that are out of character, or perhaps neglecting self-care in a way they never have before. The sixth sign is misplacing things. Now, we've all lost our keys from time to time, but this is different. It's about putting things in unusual places consistently and being unable to retrace steps to find them. Lastly, the seventh sign is changes in mood or behavior. This could be anything from becoming easily upset to showing reduced interest in social activities. These signs may get more noticeable over time. Decreased or poor judgment is the eighth sign of dementia. This can be seen when individuals start making questionable decisions more frequently, or when they exhibit uncharacteristic irresponsibility in managing their finances or personal affairs. This change is often subtle but can have significant implications if left unnoticed. The ninth sign to watch out for is withdrawal from work or social activities. This may be due to the individual's struggle with keeping up with the tasks or conversations. They might start to avoid hobbies, social situations, or projects they once enjoyed and were active in. This withdrawal can be a way of masking their cognitive changes. Lastly, changes in personality and mood are the 10th sign of dementia. This can be exhibited in a number of ways, such as increased agitation, irritability, or even apathy. The individual may also seem unusually anxious, suspicious, or depressed. These changes can be gradual and might get overlooked, but being aware of these signs can make a huge difference in early detection and management of dementia. So, these are the 10 early warning signs of dementia. We've covered everything from memory loss and difficulty completing familiar tasks, to confusion with time or place, and changes in mood or personality. Recognizing these signs is crucial, as it could mean the difference between early intervention and better management of the condition, or a rapid progression. Remember, early detection is key. Consult a healthcare professional if you or a loved one are experiencing any of these signs.